everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. I am so glad you could make it. Today we're going to be doing something very exciting because we are unboxing this Charlotte Tilbury 2025 Beauty Advent Calendar. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, beauty, all that kinds of stuff. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hello everyone. Hi, I really wanted to get the Charlotte Tilbury Advent calendar this year. I saw this on TikTok. Listen, TikTok made me buy it. I don't know what I can say about that, but this thing is absolutely stunning. So it is called the Charlotte's Beauty Treasure Chest. And the reason that I got this is not only because you have like a bunch of stuff in here, the actual box that you use for this is so pretty, and I think I can use it as like a jewelry box afterwards. Like you can repurpose this box and it's so freaking stunning. So I did get this from Sephora. You can get this from the Charlotte Tilbury website as well. But I did want to go ahead and unbox it with you guys because today as I'm filming this, it's October 30th. So November is coming up very soon. So if you did want to like get this for yourself or get it for, I don't know, a friend, then you will be able to see what actually comes in here. So it does say that the value is like a lot more than what you actually pay for this. I mean, I would hope so, right? Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. Okay, so this box retails for $220 and it's worth $314. So, I mean, like it is like a good deal. It's not like, I feel like there's one, is it like Harrods or something? That's like you pay 500 bucks, but the retail value is like $2,000 or something. It's not that good of a value, but like it's still okay. Also, what I would do is the Sephora VIB sale is happening tomorrow on Halloween. It starts on October 31st. If you wanted to get this, I would wait and see if you can get it on the sale. I don't know if it's sold out, but you should try to wait and get it 20% off. So here, oh my God, it's so pretty. I opened it backwards. But here is what it looks like when you first open it. Oh my God. How do I get this out? So here is what the actual box looks like. Are you kidding me? And it looks like this all the way around. And it's so pretty. It says Charlotte Tilbury up here, and then it says it on the sides as well. And there are 12 days. This up top doesn't have anything. I don't know why they put this here, but yeah, it's like a little treasure chest. But there are 12 days in this advent calendar. I kind of wish there were 24. I don't know. I just like the idea of like an entire month advent calendar kind of thing. But we're gonna go through each day. They're not numbered or anything, so I think you can just kind of do whichever one you want. So we're gonna start from here and then just go in a line. So if you want to see all of the fun goodies that's in this advent calendar, just keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna start. Look at these knobs. These knobs are actually such good quality too. Like they're hard plastic. They're not flimsy or anything. Like you could really reuse this box. So we're gonna start here at this little star and we're gonna open it. Oh, so they're not like packaged. They're just kind of in there. So this first one is a lip liner, it looks like. Here's how it comes. So it's like sitting inside of its little pillow. I don't know what you would call this thing, but it is a lip cheat. So this is the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Pillow Talk Medium. I really do like Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk line. And I don't really use lip liner. I know that's like sacrilege or something. A lot of people love lip liner. I just don't really use it. I don't know why. However, I do think that it would go really well with this lip that I have going on right now. But I have a feeling we're going to have another product in another one of these boxes that goes with this. So there's that, and this is a full-size product as well. So let me take a look at the Sephora website to see how much this lip cheat is worth. Okay, so these are $26 a piece. So we are starting at $26 here. We'll put that back in here. I am gonna keep a tally. I don't think we're gonna be getting like eyeshadow and stuff in here, but maybe I could be wrong. So I'm gonna keep a calculator, 26, just to make sure that we hit that $314 minimum that they say that it's supposed to be. Next up is this little moon box, which is super cute. Oh, okay, so we don't have only makeup. So we also have some skincare apparently. So this one is the Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser. And this looks to be like a deluxe sample. I'm not sure if this is the full size, but it doesn't look to be the full size. It looks to be like either a mini or like a deluxe sample. Let's see. Okay, so this is the mini size. So this is $15 on the Sephora website. I have never tried a cleanser from Charlotte Tilbury. I haven't actually really tried very many Charlotte Tilbury skincare products, but I am excited to try this out. I've actually been needing a new cleanser, believe it or not. So that actually does help a lot. Let me try again. And then I did put in the $15 into my calculator, so we are up to $41. Next up, we have this one right here, and this is again another star. I think they're all just like moons and stars. Oh, this one fell. This one like fell to the bottom, but this is either a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss, it looks like. This is the Pillow Talk. I think this is liquid lipstick. Or this is lip gloss. Oh God, I can't tell. But anyways, this is a full size Pillow Talk lip product. Let me take a look. Oh, it looks like this is the Collagen Lip Bath Gloss. Oh, I think it tells me on the box, actually. Yes, this is the Pillow Talk Collagen Lip Bath. So this is a lip gloss, which is really nice. And this does retail for $35. So we are up to $76. Now moving on to this one. This would be like day 4. Ooh, I think we have an eyeliner. We do, yes. So here is what it looks like in the packaging. And I do believe this is an eyeliner. This is the Rock and Kohl Charlotte Tilbury, and I think this is like Barabella Brown. So it is a brown liner, which I'm not mad about. I do use brown liners a lot, so this is fine. Again, never used a Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. I really only use their lip products, to be honest. But this is nice. I'm not mad about this. Let me take a look at how much this costs. This is $32. So we're at $108 so far, which I think is pretty good. And we just did the first row. So I probably think each row is like roughly $100. So on to the second row now. We're doing this little moon one. Ooh, this looks to be like mascara. I do love trying new mascaras. My God, this is heavy. Exagger Eyes Volume Mascara. Look at that. That's very fancy right there. So let me take a look at this. All right, so this is $29 and it's just like a exaggerating volumizing mascara, and we all know I do love a good volumizing mascara. Moving on to the next day. Oh, we have our first little mini. It's so small. Look at it. So this just must be a mini lipstick. This is, I don't know why I think I can read this. Walk of No something. Look at it. It is so small. You can put this in your bag. You can put this anywhere. But it's so cute. I don't know why they wouldn't just give us like a full size, to be honest. But like, I mean, the mini is cute. I don't know how to price this. Yes, so it's KISSING, Fallen from the Lipstick Tree, mini size. And I think it's in the shade called Icon Baby. Ah, okay, Icon Baby. So it's kind of just like a warm nude baby pink, which I think is cute. I do like that. However, I don't know how to size this, or not size it, but like price it, because the regular is $35. So this is a mini size, so I am going to put it at $17 because 35 divided by 2 is 17. So I'm just gonna do that and we'll see how that goes. But right now we are at $154 Here is the next one. Ooh, is this the moisturizer? It is. This is like a mini of the Charlotte Magic Cream. I have used this before. It's been a very long time and I don't remember liking this. I think I gave this to my mom. I do want to try this again though. And I do know this is usually really expensive. Yeah, the full size is $100. The mini size is 0.5 ounces. So this is $30 for the mini size. So again, if you're going on a trip, if you're going somewhere, then I do think this would be nice to carry with you if you just want like a mini something. And if you don't want to carry like a big pot of moisturizer with you, this would be nice. I am gonna try this again and see if I even like this formula because I do have pretty dry skin, so I do need a moisturizer that's like heavy duty, but I'm not mad about that. It's the mini size. We are currently up to $184 on our price. Next up, we have, oh, a full size product. I think this is highlighter. Yeah, I kind of wish it was the blush, but this is the Beauty Wand highlighter. Hopefully we get a blush in here because I actually have used the Charlotte Tilbury blush wands and the bronzer wands. So hopefully we get one of those, but this is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk. So this is really nice. If number one, if you know you already like this product, this is really good to get in the box. So let's see how much this is. Highlighter Beauty Wand, this is $42. So I think this is one of the more expensive things that we've gotten so far. I think this might be the most expensive thing we've gotten so far. I do think this is really pretty. I am gonna try this out and use it. I mean, since I have it, I might as well use it. So even though I don't really wear highlighter that much anymore, I don't know, but yeah, really nice. We're at $226. We have the final row to go over here. We got another skincare. Oh, this is a serum. I have never seen a Charlotte Tilbury serum before. This is the Crystal Elixir. This is interesting. I didn't even know they made that. All right, so the full size is $30. And this is like a mini, so I would say this is maybe like $12 because this is even smaller. They don't even have a mini size. They only have the full size, but this is less than half of the big size. So I just put $12 just to see, but I am excited to try this out. I have never used this. Supercharged Youth Radiance Serum. I'm not mad about it. I do think that if you have used these products, then it's good to get them in your box. But if you haven't used them, that's also what an advent calendar is for, so you can try out new things. So love that. Next up, oh, we have a setting spray. I actually do like trying new setting sprays. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and I think this is the mini size or travel size. Take a look here. Full size is $38. This one is 1.1 fluid ounces, so this is $23 because it's on the Sephora website, and this is the Flawless one. So I don't think this one's not the matte one, which I'm happy about because I don't like the matte ones. All right, we have two more boxes. So this second to last one is another lip cheat, and it's a mini size. I feel like we should have just gotten regular sizes for this, to be honest. So this one is called Walk of No Shame, and it's just a little mini lip cheat, which is like the lip liner. So let me see if I can find a mini size of that. So they do have the three like iconic trio like in the same packaging, but that's one price. So again, the regular is $26. I guess I will divide it by 2 and put $274. Sorry, I'll divide it by 2 and put 13. So we're up to $274. I don't think we're gonna hit $314. Like, I don't know how they calculate that, to be honest. I probably calculated wrong on my end because there's probably something. It says worth $314. So I probably, again, calculated something wrong on my end because I don't know exactly how much these like mini sizes are worth. I'm just kind of trying to do math in my head and like figure it out. So I'm probably wrong on some parts, but we haven't even hit 300 bucks yet. So we have one last, and it's just another mini. So it's like not even anything good, honestly. It's just another mini lipstick. So I was hoping we would get, are these both in Icon Baby? No, I think this is different. I think this is a different shade. Oh, this one is the Matte Revolution. Okay, Walk of No Shame. So this one is a matte lipstick. The other one was, I think, just like a satin or something. But this one, I guess, is called Walk of No Shame. And again, I can't price this. I can't figure out how to price a mini lipstick. So again, the full size is $35. I'm just going to divide it in half. So I think that's 17. So we get to $291. That's what I got for my ending. But then again, I think I probably added wrong. But let me know in the comments what you think of this box. I do enjoy it. I like advent calendars, so I do enjoy it. I do wish we would have got a few more full-size stuff. I wish we would have gotten like the blush or something like that, but it's okay. It's no big deal. Let me know if you're interested in getting this box. Let me know if you plan to get this box, if you think it's worth it. Just let me know anything that you want to in the comments. And I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!